This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the Skytech Gaming King 95 desktop PC. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming desktop in the description below for latest price. The King 95 is built for gamers and creators who demand top-tier performance without compromise. At its core, it packs an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor capable of hitting 4.7 GHz with a turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz, which ensures smooth multitasking, fast rendering, and lag-free gameplay. Pairing this with the NVIDIA RTX 5070 16GB graphics card, you can easily tackle modern AAA games in creative workloads at ultra settings, 1440p resolution, and consistently high frame rates. Storage and memory are equally impressive, with a 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD that loads games and applications almost instantly, and 32GB of DDR5 6000 RGB RAM designed for maximum speed and stability. The system's 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler keeps temperatures low even during extended gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling while giving the setup a visually striking look with customizable RGB lighting. You also get Windows 11 Home pre-installed, which comes ready for gaming optimization and productivity, with no unnecessary bloatware slowing you down. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi 802 2.11 AC, multiple USB ports across 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and HD audio support for immersive sound. The King 95 also comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making it a complete package right out of the box. Its sleek case design not only showcases the internal hardware but also provides excellent airflow for sustained performance. While the King 95 is a powerhouse, it's important to note that high-end performance comes with a premium price, and the large form factor may not fit smaller setups. That said, for gamers, content creators, and power users, it delivers a seamless experience whether you're playing competitive shooters, exploring open worlds, or rendering intensive 3D projects. Technical support and a 1-year warranty provide extra peace of mind. Overall, the Skytech Gaming King 95 offers unmatched speed, efficiency, and aesthetics, making it a top choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance gaming desktop that's ready for the future.